What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, as you've all seen on social media, we had a week off, we went on holiday and we had a blast, a great time, eh Dad?
It was really good.
It was
totally
great.
Relaxed.
But now that we're back, as Dad said, we're all relaxed. We're going to start cranking out content for you guys, and you've probably seen us talk about it in other videos. The plan is to do this full time, so the videos, the flipping the cars, because we love it, eh?
It's great, yeah.
But in order to do that as efficiently and as quick as we can, we need everything else sorted out. And this corner is definitely slowing us down. Now,
if you've seen the last video, we had a proper rant about this corner.
yeah, we had a huge rant and we both hate it, eh?
Hate it, yeah.
It's annoying, it's a mess, and it just gets in the way, eh?
Yeah, there's absolutely nothing efficient about this corner.
So, that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to get this sorted out, we'll throw you on time lapse quickly, and then we'll show you the first bit of stock that we got from coming back on holiday.
Yeah.
Guys, that is the garage finally clean. That taken so much longer than it should have, eh Dad?
Yeah, and that time lapse was shorter. I think we've lost a bit of time lapse footage.
Yeah, that cut off, the battery was low, wasn't it? So it automatically stopped.
I think maybe somebody phoned me or something in it.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened, but it stopped.
But that was hours ago and we've only just finished.
It's getting dark.
Yeah, it is. It's almost pitch black. It's time for you to go pick Mum up.
It's 10:15 at night.
But anyway, we've sorted that corner out. That's the welders are all ready besides the gas, eh?
Yeah,
so
we're going to go and pick up some gas.
We'll get the gas soon. But even though we thought the garage was clean, we still have all of this mess.
Yeah, we've had a proper clear out.
So
if it wasn't bolted in, it's getting chucked.
Oh, and new posters. AUTOPARTS gave us them when we picked up some of our tools. But
we did put another poster up here, but we've covered it with oil. Anyway, we might have to relocate that.
That corner that was irritating us, we're not quite going to show them that away yet, because
almost there.
Tomorrow there should be a few last finishing touches showing up.
And we're still waiting on a wee bit of paint drying.
Just to perfect it. But anyway, that's it for tonight. Tomorrow, that corner will be done hopefully, and we'll be showing you the new stock, eh?
Well, we can't show you the stock in the dark, you'll never see it properly.
No,
so
and you need to go pick Mum up.
May as well show you in the morning.
Yeah, so see you in the morning. Boom, it's the next day, we've got rid of the rubbish, we've done the tip run, and for now, the corner's finally finished, eh?
It's finished at the moment. There's a few other bits we need to go and get. If I spin it round, I'll let you see it. So, this is a lot better. This is going to go back in the back of the car. But this is a lot neater and tidier. We know where everything is. We've got all our Infinity Wax stuff lined up here that we use. Polishers are hanging up. We've got the Infinity Wax banner at the back. We're going to get some box shelves to go here. I want one for waxes and ceramic coatings, one for cloths, and then we've got a wee rack that I'm going to make for like the wheel brushes and wheel arch brushes and things like that. But yeah, this is a lot better. It feels a lot more spacious and open with that big shelving rack.
Yeah, it does.
No longer in here.
Still no sorting out the sockets, but that's for
no.
another day.
We're getting there. I fancy a new socket rack or something that we can clip them all into. But another thing we got today, we've had another delivery. The guys over at Topdon have sent us out their BT100 battery tester. So we're going to be giving this a go. Topdon have been quite good to us.
They have, yeah. They're quite good.
Yeah, so we'll give this a go. We'll probably try it on the new Fiat.
The what? The new what?
The new what?
The new what?
Did I just let it slip?
Maybe.
We've got a whole load of new parts here for it. Shall we go and have a wee quick look?
Yeah, let's go check it out. Dad did mention a Fiat in the garage, and here it is.
I'll let it slip a little bit, but here she is, the new
Panda.
the new bit of stock. The good old Fiat Panda.
Blacked out indicators.
Few mods, blacked out indicators.
That's not even the best bit, right? Look at the dust caps.
Blue Lego dust caps.
Lego bit.
But yeah, I know James down at Chop's Garage loves a wee Fiat Panda.
This is very powerful.
Star Wars fan. So this wee Fiat Panda is fairly tidy inside. It's not going to take too much to get this put right. It's a little 1.1. 2 owners for new. It's got 53,000 miles on it. It's not perfect. There's a few wee marks along the body. We can probably touch that up. It's going to benefit from a machine polish. It has been sitting off the road for a couple of months, eh? What did they say? 6-7 months? So it was basically, it's ran out of MOT as well. But I have been out for a drive in it, and it drives really well. Basically they were using it as a second car for when somebody needed a lift or needed to borrow a car, but I think this wee thing's going to clean up just fine, and it's probably going to be ideal for somebody who's just learnt to drive or somebody who's learning to drive. Nice wee cheap runabout, cheap to run, cheap to insure, cheap to tax. So yeah, we got it for an absolute bargain. So that's probably what we're going to get on with next. We're probably going to get on with this, clean it up, get a quick polish, get some pictures taken, and get it up for sale. We've got all the stuff in there for the MOT. I've got a full service kit, we've got a timing belt kit. We'll probably get that done
today or tomorrow?
Yeah, probably later on. But first of all, we need to get it cleaned up, polished up, and get it listed for sale. Right guys, as you've seen for that wee sequence there, we got the interior cleaned up, and it's looking a hell of a lot better than what it did. It's still got to get the plastics dressed and stuff like that. It's looking pretty clean inside. It's not bad. These seats, I don't know what it is about these seats, but even after a drill brushing and a clean, they always tend to look dirty. I think it's the colour in the centre of them, it's not very great. Next up, I'm going to spray some pre-wash, doing all the door jambs, especially in here. We'll get all this cleaned up, and we'll get the outside done. Panda's all scrubbed. We're going to leave it sitting there there to dry. We're going to give the Audi a quick wash, but you've seen us do that a million times before, so we're not going to put you through the pain of that again. We'll cut for a couple of minutes, get this washed while that dries, and then we'll cut back in on the Panda and do some polishing. While I was busy cracking on with the Audi, Charlie got the rattle cans out again and the sandpaper and tidied up these Panda wheel trims. They look so much better. I never even asked him to do it, he just went and done it. He's getting quite good at this painting malarkey, but they look awesome. So the Audi's all done again, looking awesome. Infinity Wax products again, can't beat them. I've also pulled the Panda back in the drive. Charlie's just getting the wheels a quick once over with the satin black. We've put the gazebo up because the sun's still out and it's still baking hot here. So I've put the gazebo up to get this in the shade so we can get the machine polisher out. We'll let the panels cool down a wee bit because it's way too hot to machine polish it now, isn't it, Charlie?
It's still boiling.
Yeah, you should never do any polishing, machine polishing, hand polishing. Don't do anything in direct sunlight or it'll just end up streaky and messed up.
Like that.
Katie's also been out with the tar and glue remover and she's got the... Was that a Mandalorian?
Yeah.
It was a Star Wars sticker of some kind.
Okay, so now all we have to do is get the little Panda machine polished. Now the last owner never really took care of it and all the panels are a bit iffy and swirl marks, so it's going to take a bit of time. We'll lobbies on time lapse and see if we can get it smashed out before the sun goes away, because it's quite nice in the heat and the lighting, eh, Dad?
It is, it's good.
Right.
And it's no windy.
It's not, no, it's
No wind noise.
it's a great day. It's a great day here in Scotland.
Right guys, as you can see, time's got away from us again. I think going for haircuts and getting the Audi cleaned up has used up more time than I thought it would. But the little Fiat, what a difference so far. It's almost there. A few wee jobs to do. We've got the glass to clean, some new number plates to put on. Look at the finish on that. It's not exactly had a 3-stage paint correction, but it's had enough to make it nice enough to retail. So yeah, it's really looking the part now. This is going to be a great wee car for somebody. If it's good enough for James May, it's good enough for anybody. What we'll do, we'll wrap it up for tonight and we'll see you guys in the morning when we do the finishing touches on this.
I don't know what's happening. I'm pretty sure Dad thinks he's still on holiday because he's managed to lose all of the footage of me blackening the bumpers, painting the wiper blades and fitting the new plates.
I've managed to lose it.
It was all you. But,
Was it? I wasn't even here when you done that.
But it's done. It looks great. Wiper blades look brand new. You can see for yourself. It just,
The car looks stunning now.
as Dad said, it's a perfect Panda.
It's the perfect Panda. Perfect for a new driver. Perfect for somebody for a second car. Perfect
Super
for a
cheap
small
to insure.
family. Yeah.
It's a great car.
If you were 17, it'd probably end up being your first car.
Probably. I'd slam it with some fat 15-inch
No.
wheels, but
It's a Fiat Panda, Charlie. It's not
I
a
know.
type of car.
So once again, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. We had a great time working on the car. But if you guys haven't seen already on the channel, we are nearing 3,000 subscribers, which is a massive milestone for us. So if you could just check, make sure you're subscribed, like the videos, follow us on all our social medias. That really does help us out and we really do appreciate it. and we'll see you next time.
Come on.